Hello everyone. This time my sister taught everyone how to make a bunny. My sister cut out the parts first. Eyes cut out with a penknife. Put a layer of double-sided tape on the outside of the eye frame. Then stick a white strip to make the card slot. Middle eye slot. You can use the white strip in the middle of the eye strip to stick. Arms and feet can be attached first. Hair must be threaded with copper wire and needle thread at the same time. Avoid copper wire disconnection. The printer paper is misplaced, so please ignore the back of the cardboard man. This time try to use copper wire instead of needle thread to make movable joints. When pasting the next joint, the copper wire should be fixed with a layer of double-sided tape. After piercing, the two discs are strung together with the joint. Paste the double-sided tape to fix. Are to pieces. Upper body joints and lower body hands. Threaded together with copper wire. Well finished. Thanks for watching. I like my sister's work. Remember to be careful. Oh bye.